Hey guys, today I'm going to uh, talk about the lead code problem 2390. Yes, we have started the lead code series, and this is the first problem I'm going to discuss. Okay, so this problem is removing stars from a string. So consider you are given a string and you need to remove the star. But that is not the only question. They have given one more condition like you also need to remove the first character just comes left to the star. Okay. So what is the data structure that we can use it and how we are going to do? These are the two things we need to do for any problem. So the first thing, data structure. Okay, so whenever you have a problem to remove just before it, then we can go for the stack. Yes, because stack is the only data structure where we can take the value which is inserted just before it, that because it follows the last in first out. So here I'm using a stack and then pushing all the values, but wait, I'm not pushing all the values. I'm just checking if it is not a star, then I'm pushing the values. But if I found any star, I'm just popping out the previous value which is all just now inserted into the stack. So in this way, I can achieve the result by removing star and also removing the first character which is inserted just before the star. Alright. So also in the Python we have a method called join which is used to convert a string from a stack. Alright guys, this is an accepted solution. Please subscribe. Thank you.